A reaction that is unfavorable at low temperatures can become favorable at high temperatures if what happens to delta H and delta S? Well, first of all, let's go with the definition. To be unfavorable, we need delta G greater than 0. So the key here is we start at low temperatures. So if we start at low temperatures, we're not going to pay attention to this. We'll assume that's very small. So how can we be unfavorable? Well, delta H has to be positive. So that looks like can be either A or C, right? We can rule out these guys. So as T gets higher, that's going to make this term more important. And we have to turn delta G negative so it will be favorable. So if delta H is positive, this guy has to get really, really negative. In other words, it's really, really big. And how do we do that? Well, if we choose delta S to be positive, we'll have a minus a positive number, which of course is negative. So the higher the temperature, the bigger this gets in a negative fashion. Eventually that will overwhelm the enthalpy and it'll give us delta G less than 0, which is favorable. So let's see, that's going to be A will be our answer.